wanna play, you wanna stay, you wanna have it all. You started messing with my head until I hit a wall. Maybe I should have known, maybe I should have known that you would walk out the door. Hey, said we were done, then met someone and rubbed it in my face. Cut to the part, he broke your heart and then he ran away. I guess you should have known, I guess you should have known that I would talk. But even if the stars and moon collide, I never want you back into my life. You can take your words and all your lies. I really don't care. Even if the stars and moon collide, I never want you back into my life. You can take your words and all your lies. I really don't care. I really don't care.
Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.
Like,
subscribe.
subscribe.